Tau Gamma Sigma anniversary, 35 years revival. Ang nalimutan talaga, and credit should be to Brad Tony Torregosa and Ega Pascasio. Never natin silang ma-mention sa mga occasions na ganito. Not because of what they have not done. Pero ang reason for that is there's no benchmark. Wala silang batch or wala silang date na naipasa sa atin. Pero kundi dahil sa kanila. And if I may request Tony Torregosa to stand up, please. Tony and Ega Pascasio encouraged us to join this great fraternity back in 1973. Tau Gamma, and right after nagkaroon ng leniency ang government, they started to reinvent themselves. Yun nga, kami ang naloko nila, kaya na-convince pala nila. Ako si Oscar, si Mar, and Rene Francisco. And after that, year after year, makakarinig tayo ng recognition sa iba't ibang grupo, mostly para sa batch namin, pero I have never heard from them yung complaint or request or suggestion that they should be recognized. And I think we really should not forget na yung effort ng dalawang tao na yun. Not to forget, of course, the original founders of the Mapua Tau Gamma in 1970. Sana itong event na ito mag-umpisa, even though hindi masyadong marami participants.